Vindum valve typically refers to a high-precision metering valve made by Vindum Engineering, often used in core flooding systems, laboratory fluid control, or enhanced oil recovery (AIR) experiments. These valves are not standard industrial valves, they're precision instruments, and dismantling them incorrectly can cause damage or calibration loss. Important notes before dismantling. Consult the Vindum manual for your specific valve model, EG, YELI, YANAN, or YANSE. Use clean tools and work in a dust-free environment. Some parts may be factory calibrated and not intended for user disassembly. Dismantling may void warranty. General Vindum valve dismantling steps, typical for VEMP-type valve. Isolate and depressurize. Turn off any connected system. Slowly release pressure. Disconnect tubing and cap ports to prevent contamination. Mark alignment. Use a fine tip marker to mark the position of the top cap, stem, and body before disassembly. Remove the actuator or knob. Unscrew any mounting screws or locking nuts. Gently pull off the knob or actuator without applying sideways force. Unscrew valve bonnet, top section. Use an appropriate wrench to unscrew the valve bonnet from the body. Be careful of small springs or O-rings inside. Extract valve stem and internal parts. Gently pull out the stem, sealing elements, and seat. Inspect and photograph the arrangement for correct reassembly. Clean parts. Use lab-grade solvents, like isopropanol, to clean metal parts. Avoid damaging seals or inlay components. Do not scratch sealing surfaces. Inspect for wear. Check O-rings, seals, and seats for wear or damage. Replace with Vindum certified spares if needed. Reassemble in reverse order. Relubricate seals with compatible lubricant if recommended. Follow original alignment marks. Tighten evenly to factory specs if torque specs are provided.